say hello.
Hi.
Okay, so what do you have here?
Onion ring.
Try it and tell me how it is. Is it crispy or not?
Very super and crispy.
Does it taste good or not?
Tastes good.
Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see how to make onion rings at home. To begin, you will need a big onion, peeled and then cut into round shape with 1/4 inch thickness. Once you cut them, separate the rings from onion in this way. And that's all. You have your onion rings ready, and now we are going to make a batter, roll them up in breadcrumbs, and then we will deep fry it. So to make a batter, into a bowl take 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion flakes. If you don't have garlic powder and onion flakes, replace it with 1/2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And here 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala to give Indian touch, and finally salt to taste. So mix everything well and add little water at a time and make this into a thick batter. So the batter should be thick, that way it stick to the onion really well. So we have our batter ready, and you will also need 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. So before start making this onion rings, you have to add 1/8 teaspoon of just a little pinch of baking soda into the batter and mix it well. Now take your onion rings, dip in the batter really well, and then roll it in the breadcrumbs. So you can also sprinkle over the onion rings so that the breadcrumbs will stick to it. How to coat your onion rings really well with breadcrumbs. That way it turns to be very crispy and very tasty. So the same way you have to roll in the batter and breadcrumbs and keep it ready. Now oil in a pan, and it is at medium hot temperature. So start adding onion rings one by one at a time, and it doesn't take too much time to fry. Just 40 to 50 seconds would be enough. Less than 1 minute is enough. So don't mix it immediately. Just wait until the color changes into light brown, and then you may flip it over and wait until it turns into golden brown color. Later then you can strain from oil and transfer into a paper towel. So easy to make snack and very delicious. I'm sure your family is going to enjoy it, and it's also a perfect party time snack as well. So we have all the onion rings which are super crispy and very tasty. You can serve this with sauce or ketchup, anything of your choice. And I hope this video is really interesting and helpful for you. So what's up guys, I have shown you a great way of making this onion rings at home itself. So please remember to thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.